Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows detected a hard disk problem. To start, enter the command gpedit.msc in the search box. Open the item. After this, in Computer Configuration, open Administrative Templates. There, go to System and select Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Finally, click on the option Disk Diagnostic. After this, open the policy called Disk Diagnostic, Configure Execution Level. Check the disabled box. You can apply these changes. For everything to be correct, restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.